Mastering the art of active listening and participation in study groups. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about English language learning, study skills, and everything you need to excel academically. Today we are diving deep into the subject of effective study group strategies, specifically focusing on active listening and participation. So, grab your notepads, and let's get started. Active listening is not just about hearing what someone says but fully engaging with the speaker. It's about focusing entirely on the speaker, absorbing the information, and giving feedback when necessary. It's incredibly crucial in a study group setting because you not only learn from what you're studying but also from what your peers are saying. Active listening involves eye contact, nodding, and providing verbal feedback. Active listening plays a vital role in making a study group effective. Here's why. 1. Enhances learning. When you actively listen, you're more likely to understand complex topics. 2. Promotes teamwork. Active listening builds trust, which is foundational for a well-functioning group. 3. Minimizes misunderstandings. When everyone is actively listening, there's less room for errors or miscommunication. So, how can you practice active listening? Here are some quick tips. 1. Give your full attention. Put away all distractions including your phone. 2. Show engagement. Nod occasionally, and use verbal cues like, "I see," or "interesting." 3. Ask questions. Asking questions not only clarifies your doubts but shows the speaker you are paying attention. 4. Paraphrase. Sum up what you've heard in your own words to ensure you've understood correctly. Active participation goes hand in hand with active listening. This involves 1. Being prepared. Come to the group meeting having done all the required readings or exercises. 2. Contributing ideas. Don't be a wallflower. Your viewpoint can provide a fresh perspective. 3. Being respectful. Give everyone a chance to speak and respect differing opinions. 4. Follow through. If you've been assigned a task, make sure you do it well and on time. The key to a successful study group lies in the balance between listening and participation. Here are some strategies. 1. Designate a moderator. This person ensures everyone gets a chance to speak and keeps the group on task. 2. Use a timer. Limit discussions on each topic to make sure you cover everything you've planned. 3. Recap regularly. Sum up the main points regularly to ensure everyone is on the same page. And there you have it. The essentials of active listening and participation in study groups. Remember, the goal is not just to study but to create a cohesive learning environment where everyone benefits. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on effective study strategies. Happy studying, everyone!